quickly order a KFC EZ pre-jack.
Easy pre-jack. Honestly, wait, KFC... Does KFC even have wings? KFC doesn't have like buffalo wings, right? They got like their wings aren't even, they got like the full ass wings like these. They just fry this bitch. I'm just gonna get them all to this point.
Well, what you could do is you can just skip this step and then just cook them like that. It's up to you.
No, I don't want to skip.
Okay. I only smell the kitchen.
We can do it.
Well, here's the thing. The best thing.
We can do it.
Yeah, exactly. So just try it. You know, if you fuck up, then you do better the next one. But you start to understand where the joint is, and then you'll get better with each wing. You know.
I'm gonna just get this part like sliced on all of them, and then so I can do like every one of them.
That joint
at once.
Though.
Yeah.
Dude, I need 2 cutting boards that aren't wood.
I think most of my cutting boards are wood. Yeah, all my cutting boards are wood, actually.
Doesn't the salmonella like seep into that shit?
If
like
it
soak into the wood?
makes you feel better,
no, because I have a specific board that's been seasoned that I use specifically for raw meat.
What, dude? Blindfolded.
Near the tip, cut using the middle part of the knife.
Cut using the middle part?
Eaters are unhealthy today. I've almost only eaten sweet stuff.
Yeah, like a slice.
Feel bad.
Makes it faster, but I wasn't gonna.
Wait, what did I hear about Ben and Jerry's?
I literally don't want to confuse him.
How can I cut at the middle with the
middle of the blade?
The thing in the way.
The middle of
but everything's in the way. Unless I like saw. Oh wait, that actually fucking works, dude. Shit.
Ben and Jerry's Netflix and chill.
Oh yeah, that one sucks actually.
I ate bad today. I also almost feel guilty. Bad ice cream.
The Ben and Jerry's.
We cutting.
The I think it's cookies and milk. I think it's called. Yo, that cuts so much easier. What the fuck, dude?
See, now you're learning how to use your knife. You know what I'm saying? Knives can do pretty much 100% of the work. You just got to know how to use it.
Camel, don't cut chicken.
Was that Chua?
I cry.
Chua. Yo, Chua. Listen, Chua. We gotta jack the chicken, dude. It didn't come pre-jacked. We gotta do it, dude.
Whoa.
These are sticking together. Dude, that cuts so much fucking easier. That's crazy.
I like their core ice creams. They're good, but they only sell one of them nowadays. Now
the core? I don't think I've had one of those. I've had the s'mores one is also great. The s'mores Ben and Jerry's, that one's great. And then